Hello and welcome back to Teacher's Helper 123. Today we're going to learn about how wind, water, and ice form land. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Have you ever looked at a canyon, a wide delta, or tall sand dunes and thought, how did that get there? Believe it or not, those amazing landforms were built by wind, water, and ice. Now, wind, water, and ice are the forces that are constantly changing Earth's surface. Today, we'll explore how those forces shaped our planet one grain, one drop, and one freeze at a time. Now, let's start with one of the most important one, water, which is one of the most powerful shapers of land on Earth. When river flows across the land, they erode or wear away rocks and soil. Take a look at my last video if you don't understand erosion. Now, over millions of years, this process can carve out deep canyons like the Grand Canyon in Arizona. But water doesn't just take material away. It also deposits it somewhere else. When a river reaches the ocean or lake, it slows down and drops the sediment it's carrying. Do you remember what sediment means? If not, look at my last video. It explains it in detail. That pile of new land is called delta, like the Mississippi River Delta. So water erodes, transports, and deposits, always reshaping our Earth's surface. Now let's discuss wind. In dry, sandy areas, the wind picks up tiny grains of sand and moves them across the land. When the wind slows down, that sand settles into piles, forming sand dunes. Have you ever seen sand dunes before? Dunes can shift and move over time, almost like waves in the ocean, but they're made of sand. Wind can also smooth and shape rocks by constantly blasting them with particles. I think of it as nature's sandblaster. The third force that shapes the earth is ice. Now we're talking about glaciers in particular. Glaciers are giant rivers of ice that move slowly over land, scraping and grinding the rock beneath them. As they move, they erode valleys, carry away rocks, and shape entire mountain ranges. When glaciers melt, they leave behind a U-shaped valley, lakes, and mounds of rocky debris called moraines. Even though glaciers move slowly and over time, they're powerful enough to completely transform the land. What states do you think have glaciers? I can think of one, Alaska. Now, these changes can happen over millions of years, whether it's rushing rivers, howling winds, or creeping glaciers. Earth's surface is always changing. Each of these forces works through three main steps, which we've seen in the last video. The first step is weathering, which is breaking down rocks into smaller pieces. Erosion, moving those pieces from one place to another. And deposition, which is dropping the material to build something new. Over time, that's how we get new landforms like deltas, canyons, sand dunes, and valleys. So the next time you're standing by a river, hiking near a canyon, or walking on the beach, remember you're seeing the work of wind, water, and ice in action. Earth may look still, but it's always changing, slowly but surely. Now, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more fun science videos, and check out my playlist. Now, tell us in the comments, which landform do you think is the coolest? Deltas, canyons, or sand dunes, or something else? I would love to know. I want to thank you for supporting me and have a great week.